Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Apex Legends Mobile on Android phone. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here you can try finding Apex Legends by pressing on the search button, write Apex Legends, and it should be right here. But if you can't see it, there's actually a way to fix that. We'll need to go back to our main page. And here click on the profile picture, go for the settings and then family, and here's the parental controls. If they are on, right here it says on instead of off. You'll need to open it, enter the PIN. So for example, right here I've just set up this parental controls and I have a PIN. Now let's leave that to refresh, then go again, family, parental controls. Here we can disable it by writing the PIN again, or a second way to fix that is to go to apps and games, enter your PIN code, click OK, and change the PGI at least to 16. Now if we press save, we should see our game normally right here. And now let's when we have it established, we can install it. So make sure you have Wi-Fi network for this, because the game waits a lot and it might take a long time to download if you'll be using your mobile data, and it might provide you with additional costs. So let's just wait till it installs, and I'm gonna go with you till login screen. So here's the installation process. Let me go into D&D mode so we'll not get any messages. Now right now it's installing. After the process is done, in this case I'm using Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, and it has this app verifying process. But after that, let's just open our app. We can just change our phone to this side because the game plays on the side of our phone. Let me zoom in for you. Allow Apex Legends to record audio. You need to agree to that, so while using this app, and then allow. The game will start. It's very loud at the beginning if you have the loud meter very strong. We can skip that.
I did that. Ray's been absolutely crushing it these last few matches. I would not want to face her on this form, let me tell you.
Another competition is a...
Game just closed, sorry. Let me restart that. So after all that loading is done, you'll need to tell how old are you. So simply choose the year and the month. For me it's gonna be this one. Click continue, and right here you'll be able to log into your account. So you can use Facebook, you can use Google, you can go on more, and here select Twitter, EA account or guest. If you select guest, you won't need to give any email information. You'll play on your guest account. Next up we have repair, and here you can click if you encounter any problem with a game in order to repair it. So in some cases the game will download some data. You can also open websites, some support and information, or go for the trailer. So log in, after that you'll have your rookie training, and then you'll be able to play. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.